The Financial Action Task Force, the initiative set up to tackle money laundering globally, grey-lists a country which is considered a safe haven for terror funding and money laundering as a warning to the country to tackle the menace. Any country which finds its way onto the task force's grey list automatically appears on the European Union's list too. In order for a country to be delisted, it must show a strong commitment to address the menace. On 7th May 2020, the European Commission cited Ghana as one of 4 African countries listed by the EU for money laundering breaches. Since then, all financial transactions in and out of Ghana have been under greater scrutiny. As part of efforts to tackle the money laundering menace to get Ghana off the list, stakeholders in the banking sector are raising the awareness to get everyone on board in solving the problem. The managing director of Cal Bank, Philip Oruedu, is hopeful that foreign investors will not cancel transactions with Ghanaian companies due to Ghana's position on the grey list. Mr. Oruedu is further advocating for proper regulations in the telecommunications sector to check money laundering, which emanates through mobile money. He spoke to Citi Business News on the sidelines of the Cal Bank leadership conversation on the theme Grey Listing of Ghana by EU and AML Deficiencies, Implications and Lessons.
Movement of funds on the mobile money platform, especially where we have this issue of SIM registration and being able to identify movement of funds to people, is a very critical thing that has to be dealt with. But I think in all this, it's at the end of the day, in terms of regulation, whoever is responsible to ensure that that sector is regulated very well. The central bank is involved. The National Communication Authority is involved. So whatever has to be done to ensure that they are regulated, SIM cards are well registered. You can identify them to people. You can identify them to addresses. So if we talk about the national identification, being able to link all these chains so that we have very good transparency when it comes to this platform.
The head of Financial Stability Department of the Bank of Ghana also urged institutions to report suspicious cases of possible money laundering.
Somebody sees something wrong and will sit on it, will not expose it, because he himself will not be identified. But if we have a similar system and a transparent system, that something comes to you and you don't expose, you yourself will be exposed. Then, like he said, the banks, for instance, if something comes to you and you don't report, somebody will come and check what you have done and it will come out. So it is incumbent on you to report, because otherwise somebody comes and you don't report, you yourself, you are in trouble. So the structures must be in place.